Hey guys, we are way overdue for this video. We supposed to shoot this video like 2 months ago
Yeah.
when we received this, but Ding had multiple business trips
Mm-hmm.
and we were out of town for family commitment,
Yep.
so we didn't have a time until now.
Mm-hmm.
Few months ago, the company Poposoap reached out to us. They want us to try one of their water and pump kit.
Yep.
We had never experienced any of their products before, so we were like, why not? Let's give it a
Yep.
try. In this video, we will unbox it and show you how to set it up. Do you want to talk about the new pond that where we'll install this water and pump kit too?
Okay. We built this pond almost 3 months ago. We post a video that shows step by step how we build it. Check it out if you are interested in learning how. We will put the link in the description of this video. For this pond, we only bought the waterfall, bone liner, and underlayment. We reuse the pump and the filter from our own pond. Our own pond is smaller and look more traditional and natural than this one. If that is your style, we will put the link of how we build our own pond in the description too. We will remove the waterfall and pump and replace them with the one Poposoap sent us. Let's unbox and put it together. Then we will let you know if the instruction and the installation are easy or challenging. Changing the plan, guy. This tubing is too short, so I can install the waterfall and pump kits to our pond. Anyway, I still show you how to put them together. The instruction was straightforward, easy to understand and follow. Well, that's it for this video. We will see you next time. Bye guys.